Morning YouTube. I'm going to try this for breakfast. If this thing can store for a year, I can easily hold this in my pack for, I don't know, a good long time. So this intrigues me, especially if it tastes like something I would eat for breakfast. So I have my stove all set up here. This is a Swiss mess kit. Got it years ago. This is my own homebrew alcohol stove, if I can get it to light. Oop, not light me up the process. Well, this would be better. And it's going. Okay, put this on here. Put this on here. Let's hope it all works. Oh, and of course it doesn't fit. Do it that way, I guess. And now we wait. Seem to have a little condensation on the pot. That was freshly pumped well water. I'm at the campsite here on Memorial Day weekend. I found out about these things. My wife had been telling me for years. One of my coworkers eats these things like they're going out of style. She likes them. She uses another brand, but I thought I would give them a try. It's the shelf life that intrigues me. Good food and easy to prepare, I hope. Works real well in a microwave. Microwave doesn't work so well out in the boonies. I'm at the camper today, filming in, under my awning because the light was a little better this way. Now the condensation seems to have gone and the stove is still cooking. That's an aluminum bottle stove that I built off of YouTube somewhere along the line. I forget whose instructions that I used, but I see Intense Angler has one that he shows you how to build. I don't think I used his instructions. I used somebody else's. I've had this thing for a long time. I like these things. They're real tough. Better than a pop can stove, I think. When I bought this Swiss Army mess kit, I got the whole 9 yards. I got the brass stove and everything. And I like these too. They're heavy, but they have a lot of versatility. You can even burn a fire in there. I've done that before too in this windscreen and use it with sticks. So that's kind of cool. But I like these things. I've played around with Heine pots, Foster pots, and there's no way I'm going to get one of these in a Foster pot. In fact, I even have one with me, but that's there's no way I'm going to get this hormal complete in that, so I thought I would use this instead. And we'll see how it goes. It ought to work pretty well. You just boil water and heat it up that way. Yeah, I'm in the screen tent here. Boy, it's nasty mosquito weather out there. Unless you really spray on the bug dope, it'd be pretty miserable without the screen tent thing. Well, let's see how we're doing. Probably way soon yet. Oh, water's getting hot. That's encouraging. Give it some more time here, and then I'll have breakfast. it says that this is good until November 30th, 2015. That's an awful lot of shelf time, storage time. I'm thinking that for a disaster or camping maybe. I have a few of them for camping. Providing this works reasonably well, I don't know, I may change my way of doing things. Sure not going to beat bannock and eggs in the morning and bacon. Do not have a boil yet. It's steaming. So I wonder if this water would be any good for coffee at the end. Probably making the world's most boring YouTube video. The microwave is faster. Oh, just for giggles, I think I'll flip this over. Let the other end heat.